4.10. Hello, Mr. Ward, Mr. Carroll, again.
I'm trying to throw this back at the Chief Executive, but I'm seeing how it's going to go.
Do you see it?
I love it. So hopefully you remember we've had some discussions in the past about the Local Government Excellence Program. It got a bit like the whakaaro plan, it got away to a bit of a rocky start, but they've done some significant work in terms of improving the quality of the program and the way they audit and measure. A number of councils have been through that process already, and there's been some good learnings from that, which again has improved the program. We've had some discussion with LGNZ around our involvement and the timing of that involvement. There is a significant amount of work for council officers, but also for elected members in terms of contributing to the audit process that must be undertaken. From our perspective, we did not believe we had the resources in place to be able to do that in the short term. Frankly, we've got key staff such as Dennis and Neil and myself who are so heavily involved in preparing for the LTP that we didn't have the capacity to deal with this in the next month or two. What we've suggested to LGNZ is that we would very much like to be involved in the program going forward, but that we see it as something that we would look to engage with them on more like sort of September this year. That essentially moves us out of being a member or a foundation member into just being a member of the program. It doesn't make a big difference in terms of your involvement and what you get out of it. It just changes that branding from their perspective.
Yes, from my perspective, benchmarking is a great thing, I think, and I'm certainly not scared of that and scared of the results of that, but it's really about, at the moment, about the commitment that we've got with everything else that's on and whether or not we can really give it due diligence or justice. And I guess I've also got half in mind to work that you guys have already started to talk about in terms of your visioning exercise. So a big part of this is about you as an elected group of elected members and how coherent you are and what your vision is. I honestly, I'm not scared of the results. I honestly don't know if you're quite there yet, and that you're only just starting those discussions. So I think come September, you'll be in a much better place to be able to show that cohesiveness. So part of me says, what have we got to lose? Let's do it, because you've got to start somewhere, and at least gives you a starting point. But I think realistically, given the amount of money and time and effort that it's going to take, it's probably best to wait for that 6 months and give it another shot. But we do have things to do in mind.
So you're saying wait 6 months, you're saying?
Yeah,
So say no now?
Say no now,
Cool.
yeah, if we were
Sure.
to do it, in that sort of September, October, end of this year, which is the next opportunity if we don't do it.
So yes, the second tranche, you got your foundation member tranche, which is happening now, and the pilot councils have gone through, and then we would not be a foundation member, as Nick said. There's marginal branding around that. We would move into the second tranche, which starts around September, October.
Sure. I mean, from my perspective through the chair, I think it's a matter of priorities and where we need to focus our efforts. We've got significant work coming up, as we discussed today, with the LTP District Plan 2050, and we've got some work ourselves to do as governance. I think we should focus our efforts on that and give this one a miss for now. Yes, sorry.
I think it's a very healthy thing to do, and if you don't do this project, there is an opportunity to do it privately. It just costs you, that's all. Well, that's not all. Sometimes it's got more credibility than something like this, but I support it, and I support it in September. And when you hear a group like the Kinloch Group say what they said about our staff today, to me that's unacceptable. It's not the way I've found it at all since I've been here, and I'd love to have us with something that measures that properly and that goes and measures it again and again and again. It doesn't have to be the same process, but I'm in favour of it for that reason. I hated that today. It was unwarranted and untrue.
Sorry.
Yay.
Same.
Tired.
You'll have to sleep. My eyes are not working.
It's not you. Your eyes aren't working.
No.
I'll get your fatter glasses. I'm a bit confused with a couple of things. I haven't seen any of the 91 measures. Has anyone else?
We got it.
Do we?
We're going to park it for now, I think.
So if 67 councillors sign up, it's $1 million. That's going to go into the kitty. Who's looking after the kitty? So the LGNZ are going to hold the purse string and employ more bureaucrats to judge us.
Okay, so LGNZ has established the program. There's an independent advisory board that runs the program. So they've got a board of director structure, and then they have the assessors, which the board or LGNZ, the board employs the assessors. LGNZ via council contributions funds both the board and the assessors. So the importance of that is to keep absolute arm's length from LGNZ and councils, so it's a truly independent. So Toby Stevens is the chair of the board, and we can get the names of all those two. I don't have them off the top of my head, sorry, apart from Toby. So it is at arm's length, and fundamentally you cannot, a bit like the Standard & Poor's rating, you cannot challenge a rating. Whatever rating they give you, that's it, whether you like it or not.
They can spend the money on people and pay them as much as they like, and we've got no control over them. Other than
that's the whole point of independence.
No, I understand that, but there's no management of it as to who's spending the money and how it's to be spent.
Okay, so it's
fast travel for all we know, couldn't it? I'm not saying that we don't have any control over it. I'm not saying a business plan or how this is all going to work. We just have to get 15 grand to a pool of funds, which will be $1 million a year.
100,000.
What? 15,000 times 60. Oh, am I wrong?
I think you might have added a zero.
Damn it. This is why I'm a real estate agent. Damn you. Oh, that's nothing then, okay.
To be fair, it's very similar to what we would do if we went to a private assessment firm. If we went to PwC, for example, and said, please assess us, we would pay them whatever it was.
50,000, actually already got a quote from them 2 years ago.
So we pay them $50,000 and they would give us a product, i.e. an assessment report. That's essentially what we're doing in this situation, except we're doing it via an LGNZ program.
I think my calculator does work actually, because 15,000 times 67 is what? That's $1 million.
Through the chair, my concern is the level of performance of my staff, or our staff, and I have concerns with what they've got on their plate. If you start adding something like this on at this stage, it's just not going to
I agree with you. And the other thing is, can we not benchmark already with local government New Zealand? We can go there already and source that stuff.
Yes, the independence of, and it's a lot deeper level than that, so it looks right through the whole, the 90-something measures.
91, yeah.
You do need it.
They were very thorough, and they were it was quite testing, and we would do really well on some and we wouldn't on others, would be my reading of it. So it's that sort of that real thorough benchmark. But there was definitely value in it for that price, and let's say it's a lot cheaper than what you would get elsewhere in the private sector. It's more just, is it the right, as a John's point, is it the right time given everything else that you've already spoken about this morning? As obviously we're starting to see how we can do it in the first tranche.
Okay. Well, on that note, shall I propose that we go with option 1, which is to withdraw?
Option 1 is agreed to join.
One.
Yeah.
Which is to withdraw.
She's saying it's
I don't want to withdraw.
recommendation
Just-
number 2.
Just through the chair.
Recommendation number 2, but it was option number 1.
So just through the chair, I totally agree with Councillor Dollings about our workload, but can we not
Poor drafting from my point.
withdraw from it completely, but let's revisit in time for the third tranche, and we're still not obligated to it, but we're still.
I think you've got to move in a second, so you're going to have to
sorry.
in terms of that second one, but just to clarify, the recommendation 1. I think
There was.
Yeah. So option 1 is to is essentially just that, is to delay until that.
No, it says withdraw.
It says withdraw.
Yeah.
No, it says
So
agrees
option
to.
1 recommendation.
Recommendation.
Page 138.
Terrible Sorry about
Agrees to join,
Oh, okay.
Agree to join the program.
But in the second
Do it now,
tranche.
do it
Yeah.
in September, we've got more time.
Bad drafting.
What do we want to do?
So
1.
you've got to move in a seconder for 2.
Decline.
Program, as I understand it.
Just put that one to the vote and then we can
Okay,
So you got a mover, a seconder.
so who,
Anyone wish to speak for or against?
anyone wish to? For or against? Option 2?
Sorry, I did probably speak out of turn before, apologies, but yeah, I don't think we should decline to join it.
No. Right. So do we vote for that?
So I'll be voting
Or
against.
do we who's in favour of option 2? Raise your hands.
I've moved it.
Option 2 or
3. Right. Not carried.
Oh, sorry.
It's a decline.
Decline.
It's very confusing.
So it still fails. Does
Okay.
any remover or is
No, it's not.
Is the remover for
Option 1.
to join the LG?
Yes.
I move option 1.
Right.
Second.
Seconder. Okay. Who?
All those in favour?
All those in favour of option 1? Aye.
Against?
You are.
Carried.
No, you just said you were.
Okay. Move a resolution to exclude the public. I'm moving. Second? Second up?
I'll second this.
Thank you. Right. All those in favour, say aye. Right. Hang on.